Do you ever wish you could turn off notifications for a particular app, or maybe just snooze them for a day? Are you fed up with Amazon notifications coming in time and time again when you don't need to see them? Well, let me show you how you can change it and set notifications up so they work for you. And if you haven't met me yet, hi, I'm Jacob. I'm your friendly iPhone teacher. I'm going to try and make your device more useful than ever. And if you want to learn more, please subscribe. So I'm going to show you two different things here. First of all, how you can mute notifications for a short amount of time, and then secondly, how you can turn them off completely. We're going to start off by going into our notification center by swiping down from the top left corner of our screen, and then we're going to swipe sideways across a notification that you want to mute. I've got some Amazon ones here. I'm going to swipe sideways and then tap onto Options. At this stage, you can mute it for 1 hour or mute it for the whole day, and that means that you won't get messages from Amazon or whatever app you've chosen in that time period. And whilst this might be just what you need, we can also disable notifications entirely for an app. And we can either tap onto View in Settings from that same screen we were on just now, or we can jump into the Settings app and find the Notifications tab here. Then you can scroll or search for the app you want to choose, and you can disable notifications using that toggle switch at the top of the screen. Or you might just want to have them delivered silently, so rather than having them pinging up at the top of the screen, they just silently appear in Notification Center for you. In fact, there are tons of ways here you can customize how notifications appear, so spend a little bit of time and see what works best for you and your device. And if you enjoyed that quick tip, please do subscribe, and then you might want to check out this quick tip next.